With Lionel Messi making moves to Saudi Florida, the state is buzzing like never before. So we thought, why not dive into the nitty-gritty of waterfront living in Miami versus Fort Lauderdale on SERDNA Talks? Well, let's talk about Fort Lauderdale versus Miami. And let's talk about numbers. In the sunny realms of Fort Lauderdale and Miami, we picked at the lowest average and highest prices per square foot for the waterfront homes. Fort Lauderdale is still the spotlight here, offering more affordable waterfront homes compared to the glitzy streets of Miami. We are discussing a high-end market in Fort Lauderdale that frequently comes in at a price lower than what you would typically spend on an average Miami waterfront property. Miami is literally playing in the big leagues, with brand new waterfront homes dancing around $4,000 to almost $7,000 per square foot. Fort Lauderdale reaches a maximum of $4,000 per square foot, with the highest tier falling between $2,500 to $3,300. And why the price difference? Well, let's unpack why the price tag in Miami and Fort Lauderdale are playing a different tune. First off, Miami is not just a city, it is a global playground. Picture it as a magnetic force pulling in new residents and huge businesses from all around the planet, and that increased demand for a sunny piece of paradise automatically cranks up the living expenses compared to Fort Lauderdale. While Fort Lauderdale is no wallflower, it is more of a city in its own right, without the glitz and glam that Miami wears so effortlessly. Now, let's talk about cohort economics. Miami has become the go-to hub for hedge funds, tech entrepreneurs, and various other big shot businesses like Amazon, Uber, Twitter, Microsoft, Nvidia, etc. And these influential players establish their presence, their high-ranking executive. They do the same, actively seeking premium real estate. And by premium, we are referring to the absolute best, luxurious homes that proudly carry a hefty price tag. With a shortage of accessible properties and money flowing freely like crazy, it inevitably propels an increase in property prices. And geography also throws in its 2 cents. Fort Lauderdale struts its stuff with more canals, creating a picturesque network for waterfront living. Keep in mind that Fort Lauderdale is the capital of the yacht industry. On the flip side, Miami boasts more bayfront homes, which, let's face it, those are like the VIP section of the real estate club. These waterfront wonders are often more desired, and you guessed it, pricier. But it's not just about waterfront views. Fort Lauderdale plays a different card with a whooping 120 marinas, turning into a marine industry hub. Like I said before, it even hosts the world's largest boat show, making it a heaven for boat enthusiasts. And Miami counters with private golf courses like Bay Colony and Indian Creek, adding another layer to the real estate variation. And let's not forget those jaw-dropping high-end sales in Miami, like the one that was closed in Coconut Grove. Jeff Bezos also spent a lot of money on a beautiful home. And as October of 2023, there are 26 homes listed over $30 million. Yes, $30 million. Miami is not just playing in the real estate game. It is rewriting the rules. So, in a nutshell, Miami's got the global allure, economic muscle, and a geography that screams luxury like no other place on earth. Miami is the best place on earth. And Fort Lauderdale, while holding its own, dances to a different beat, making waterfront living a bit more budget-friendly. It's not just about the house, it's about the lifestyle. And in Miami, that lifestyle comes with a hefty price tag. Now, if you're into high-end waterfront and scene gated communities, let me mention a few. In Fort Lauderdale, think about Bay Colony or Harborish Island within Harbor Beach. In Miami, you got Star Island and Tahiti Beach strutting their gated glory. If we move to Broward County, and if we talk about Fort Lauderdale, we have Harbor Beach. Has beautiful, gorgeous waterfront homes on wide, deep canals. And as a bonus, join the surf club. Sure, Fort Lauderdale might not be still Miami's limelight, but don't cut it out. Reach out to us at any time. We're here to help you with your real estate needs. And if you have questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talks and to share all our videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.